Welcome to Global Research 2020. Myself Spurti, PhD scholar, University of Agriculture Sciences, Bangalore, India. I am presenting part of my PhD research, that is between year genotype performance prediction accuracy, a practical criterion for AMI model family diagnosis and illustration using Dolichos bean data. Dolichos bean is considered to be as a very important pulse crop, and it has contributed around 90% of area and production in Karnataka states in India. Research question, that is, can we predict research station selected genotype performance in untested years to enhance the breeder confidence to recommend the best genotype as a cultivar in former field? Yes, actually, I have tried to answer this question by using AMI model of analysis, which I am going to take you through tour of some of the few slides in next 4 minutes. Plant breeder conduct field yield trials in order to identify the best genotype so that he or she can suggest it to the farmers, and even it has to expect it to perform well in the untested location and also in the future years. There comes the concept of stability, that is consistency of the performance of the genotype with respect to time. Among all the model of stability, AMI model is considered to be as the best model because it is found to give more accurate genotypic value even with the fewer replicated data and also in unbalanced data. AMI model is nothing but additive main effect and multiplicative interaction, which is fitted in the two stages. In the first stages, the main additive effect of the genotype and the environment is fitted using the least square in the form of analysis of variance, and the non-additive interaction genotype year interaction is fitted using the interaction principal components. AMI model is not a single model. It has a, AMI model is not a single model. It has a family members, AMI 1, AMI 2, AMI 3 and so on, which is based on the inclusion of the first IPC, first 2 IPC, first 3 IPC and all the IPCs respectively. Our objective is to identify the genotypes which is having the, our objective is to identify the best AMI model family members based on the between year predictive accuracy. For criteria for AMI model diagnosis, predictive accuracy, equivalence of sum of square for genotype year interactions, predictive accuracy and agricultural interpretability. Among these, predictive accuracy is considered to be as the best one because it is found to show give some more idea how the genotype will perform in the former field as well. Among this, we have within trial accuracy and between year trial or year accuracy. Among them, between year trial accuracy gives more practical idea how the genotype will perform in former field. And as I told, we have used 4 years of data in order to predict the performance of genotype, and we have used year 2019 in order to validate the predicted performance. The criteria for statistical for predictive accuracy is root mean square predictive differences, referred as RMSPD, and mean square error, referred as a MSE. Then what is the criteria for accessing the predictive accuracy? That is, the AMI model family member that has generated smallest RMSPD and MSE were adjudged as the best model. This is a graph which depicting the estimate of RMSPD based different AMI model family members. Among them, we can here clearly see that in all the years except in 2014, AMI model was found to be having least RMSPD. And this is the graph which is depicting the estimate of mean square errors based on different AMI model family members. Here also, we can see that except in 2014, in rest of the years, AMI 1 family member was showing least MSE. With this, I would like, based on my research finding, I would like to conclude the following, saying that parsimonious AMI model is considered to be as the best AMI model family member because we can clearly see by the graphs and all that it was showing least RMSPD and MSE. Therefore, what I would like to say that the parsimonious AMI model helps to enhance the confidence of the breeder so that he or she can recommend those superior genotype as a cultivar for commercial production by the users. I would like to Thank you, Nandor. And I would like to acknowledge my supervisor, Dr. S. Ramesh, and advisory members, and all the field staffs. And I would like to congratulate. I would like to say thank you for the organizing committee for giving me opportunity to showcase my research. Thank you.